Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Agarwal and I'm a faculty member at Learning Field Global School Muga. Today I'm going to perform a science activity which is based on Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle states that when an object is immersed in liquid, it seems to lose weight, and this apparent loss of the weight will be equal to the liquid displaced by the object. Today we are going to discuss about the floating objects like boat which float on a surface of the liquid or the submarines which float submerged in a liquid surface. So, in these special cases of floating objects, the weight of the displaced liquid will be equal to the weight of the object. So, let's perform the activity. For this activity, I have taken a jar to which a short pipe is attached. Now, I'll take an empty cup and will place it at the free end of the short pipe. Now, I'll take some water and fill it in the jar. I'll put the water up to the brim of the jar. Now you can see the excess of water which is poured into the jar is displaced and removed by the short pipe. Now let the excess of water be displaced slowly through the short pipe. Now as the water is displaced and removed by the short pipe, slowly I will remove this empty cup without disturbing the setup and the water in the jar. Now I'll take another empty cup and will place it at the free end of the short pipe. Now I'll take a small ball and will put it into the water in the jar. Now after putting the ball, you can see it is floating submerged in the liquid in the jar, and the excess of water displaced by the ball is collected into this empty cup with the help of a short pipe. You can see now after the water has been collected, I will remove this cup without disturbing the setup, and also I will remove the ball out of the jar. Now to measure the weight of the displaced liquid and the weight of the ball, let's take a beam balance. In one side of the beam balance, I will put the water displaced by the ball, and on the another side of the beam balance I will put the ball. Now let's check the weight, whether it comes out to be equal or not. Now as I lift the beam balance, you can see the balance show the same reading, and it shows a balance at the both sides. That shows that the weight of the displaced liquid is equal to the weight of the object. Thus, for the floating substances or the objects like boat and submarines, the weight of the displaced liquid is equal to the weight of that object. Thank you very much.